Alright, so what we got here is Audi RS6 2023, and this is now protected with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. So if a thief tries to steal this vehicle, they will not be able to. So there you go, vehicle is on, and now if I try and put it into gear, vehicle shuts down. So you cannot drive it without the PIN code entered. So what you do when you get in the vehicle, you enter your PIN code 1 2 3 4. You get 2 indicator flashes. Vehicle is on. If I put it into gear, the vehicle does not shut down. So if you want this installed on your Audi RS6, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.